Hello, and welcome to Using the SYSVIEW component for zOS Connect Enterprise Edition. Here is the agenda for the video. We're going to go over a demonstration of the zOS Connect, or referred to as Zcn, commands available within SYSVIEW. For more information regarding configuration of zOS Connect monitoring within SYSVIEW, see the video titled Configuring zOS Connect Enterprise Edition Monitoring in SYSVIEW. Here is a list of zOS Connect commands we're going to cover in this video. From these displays, you can see real-time performance statistics, configuration information, and also take action against your zOS Connect servers. We are going to start on the main menu of SYSVIEW. From here, we are going to use the S-line command to select the JVM and LE menu. On this menu, we can see a link to the zOS Connect Enterprise Edition menu. Once again, we are going to use the S-line command to drive into the zOS Connect menu. The zOS Connect menu contains links to all available zOS Connect commands. The first zOS Connect command that we're going to look at is the Zcn List Command. The Zcn List Display shows information about active zOS Connect servers running on your systems. You can see static configuration information like version and the number of APIs and services defined under the server, and also real-time performance statistics like number of requests and failures. The zOS Connect commands that we're going to demonstrate in this video support both system and cross-system modes. This means that you can see information about multiple zOS Connect servers from one instance of SYSVIEW. The current mode is indicated in the information area of the commands. The mon Zcn and mon Zcn rec fields represent the current monitoring status of the SYSVIEW JVM data collector agent in the zOS Connect server. Both of these fields must be in an initialized state for full zOS Connect monitoring to be available within SYSVIEW. For more information on these fields and how to set them, see the video titled Configuring zOS Connect Enterprise Edition Monitoring in SYSVIEW. The values that the mon Zcn field can have are displayed on the screen. zOS Connect monitoring is not available until this field is set to initialized. The values that the mon Zcn rec field can have are displayed on the screen. Full zOS Connect monitoring, including real-time performance statistics, is not available until this field is set to initialized. Remember that the mon Zcn field must be initialized in order for the mon Zcn rec option to have effect. There are several line commands available on the Zcn list display. We can put a question mark in the command line area to view all available line commands. Of the line commands available on Zcn list, some can take actions against the zOS Connect server, and some can navigate to other SYSVIEW displays. For the line commands that take actions against the zOS Connect server, the SYSVIEW Zcn set is used. The SYSVIEW function command Zcn set can take actions and alter resources in your zOS Connect server. Examples of what commands can be executed are seen on the screen. The Zcn set command has the ability to start and stop APIs, enable and disable our installed interceptor, flush the SMF provider and requester queue, and also start and stop zOS Connect services. We're going to use the APIs line command to navigate to the Zcn APIs command. The Zcn APIs command displays information about zOS Connect APIs. The status of each API, along with performance statistics like requests, failures, and timings are shown on this display. The mon_zcn and mon_zcn rec fields can be found in the information area of this display. These values represent the current monitoring status of the JVM data collector agent for the current target zOS Connect server. There are several formats available on the Zcn APIs and the other zOS Connect displays that can be used to filter what fields appear on the screen at one given time. There are several line commands available on the Zcn APIs command. Most importantly, you have the ability to use a line command to start and stop individual APIs using the Zcn set command. We will now go to the Zcn URIs display by typing URIs in the line command area. The Zcn URIs command shows information about zOS Connect URIs or API endpoints. The URI HTTP method along with real-time performance statistics are available on this display. Since we navigated to the Zcn URIs display via a line command on Zcn APIs, we are currently only viewing information about zOS Connect URIs that were defined under the specified API on Zcn APIs. We can also view Zcn URIs from the perspective of every API defined on the zOS Connect server. We can navigate to this version of the display by just typing Zcn URIs in the primary command line. We are next going to go to the zOS Connect services display by typing Zcn serve in the primary command line. The Zcn serve command displays information about zOS Connect services. Similar to the Zcn APIs display, you can see the status along with real-time performance statistics on this display. Several line commands are available on this display, most importantly allowing you to start and stop each individual service. We are next going to go to the zOS Connect Systems of Record display by typing Zcn SOR in the primary command line area. The Zcn SOR command displays information about zOS Connect Systems of Record. From this display, you can see configuration information about each system of record along with real-time performance statistics. It's important to note that certain versions of zOS Connect do not support statistics for every service provider type. The final command that we're going to demonstrate in this video is the Zcnr Log Display. Zcnr Log is the zOS Connect request log command. From this command, you can view a log of SMF type 123 records that zOS Connect servers have written to a log stream. For more information on how to configure a log stream to be used by the Zcnr Log Display, see the video titled Configuring zOS Connect Enterprise Edition Monitoring in SYSVIEW. By using the select line command, we can view a more human-readable formatted record. Here's an example of a formatted record. All of the fields within the record are displayed in this formatted version. Here's a summary of the zOS Connect commands that we've covered in this video. You should now have the ability to fully take advantage of the zOS Connect monitoring available in SYSVIEW.